Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and wish you a very, very happy new year, Leo. Hope you guys had a great New Year's Eve. And it's Friday here in India, so I thought let's start the new year with a small love bite for you. What do you think? And let's just make it a little bit fun as well. We're going to be asking a question this time. So, the question I had in mind for all of you, Leo, is how was your person feeling about you on New Year's Eve? Whether you were together, you were separated, you were not partying together, or there was separation. How was this person really thinking? What were their deepest feelings towards you? And or vice versa. Let's see what's going to show up for you, Leo. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my lions and my lionesses and send them the messages they want to hear right now. Thank you. So, Leo, let's start with an angel blessing card to top the reading. Let's see what our first blessing this year is going to be and how it's going to resonate with this reading. My angel spirit guides, a blessing, advice, or a message for my Leo gang. This one. All right, let's keep this one, Leo. The card I have for you here, Leo, is Be Brave. Now, this is quite similar to the tarot card of strength, right? Which is also your card. So look at this lion and then look at this woman here, the angel who is so brave and not fearful at all. So that's going to be your... That's your advice, I think. Be brave and go for what you want, Leo. Don't be shaken or stirred. So let's start your reading and see how this person was feeling about you on New Year's Eve. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your support to the channel, for your lovely comments, your likes, your donations to the channel. I'm very, very grateful. And thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. So Leo, let's see. This is going to be an interesting one. If any of you are looking for a private reading, Leo, my email is in the description box below and the About section of the channel. Leo, somebody was feeling rather bored here. Rejected, dejected, not accepting any offers. Maybe they had a lot of offers coming towards them, but none of them was really kind of exciting them. Okay, so that's under my deck. I mean the card. Let's see your cards. Knight of Cups, Temperance, Five of Pentacles, Five of Swords, Ten of Swords. Oops, I have a double card here. Page of Swords and the Nine of Swords, the Hermit, Six of Pentacles, and the Moon card. All right, so let's take a few dialogue cards before I begin here, Leo. So, Spirit, Leo and their person, their innermost thoughts, if they had to say something to their partner, what would that be? Leo and their partner. On New Year's Eve, what were they thinking? What would they have liked to say to their partner? Let's take a couple from this one as well. Okay. So the first card I have for you here, Leo, you feed my heart and soul with your love. You are my best friend and my passionate lover. I love you more than anything in this world. Okay. Second card says, aren't you tired of overthinking and being so hard on yourself? You can deliver yourself out of this pain, fear and frustration, and you will see what I've seen in you all along. So yes, there is somebody who loves the other very much, but maybe their partner is still kind of holding back from them. And one person is saying, hey, like stop overthinking it and just kind of come out and enjoy life. I just want to hold you now. It's been so long since you held me close and I'm aching for you. Next card. It irritates me that you mock my spirituality when I'm doing everything I can to do to learn and grow and become a better person. You tease me and make fun of my beliefs. I find this really hurtful as you're unwilling to even talk with me about them. So maybe one of you, maybe you are interested in spirituality or like tarot card readings or something, and your partner's always bantering you about them or making fun of you. But heart of hearts, I think they really do love you and they just want to hold you. And they're like telling you, like, don't bring spirituality into it. Just open yourself up and come and be with me. Next card. I want us to build trust and work on a foundation of friendship before we have a romantic and sexual relationship. So that is the reason that one partner has been holding back, because they don't just want to jump into something that they're going to regret later. Okay, so these were the thoughts you guys were having about each other on New Year's Eve. So yes, this could be somebody fresh, new, romantic, or this could be you wanting to take a romantic offer to someone. You see this person as a very balanced person. You want to bring you know that you can have a balanced kind of a friendship or a relationship with this person, but I don't think they're allowing you in right now, Leo, and you're feeling rather abandoned and left out in the cold and not being given the attention that you seek from them. Yes, either you or your partner is watching the other non-stop. Okay, they're still keeping up watch, still waiting for a message, waiting to hear from them, or looking up at their social media, but somehow fearing that it's not going to go anywhere, thinking all is lost because maybe you guys are not really kind of putting you out there, not talking to each other as much as one partner would like. The one partner feels the other partner's not communicating as much as they'd like to, and not even fighting for the connection. The partner who is wanting this relationship, not the one who's holding back, they really are sick and tired of feeling sick and tired, right? They don't want to be sitting here. They want to take some action. They don't want to be in hermit mode for very long. They are afraid that it may or may not be reciprocated. They want to come and speak their truth, or they have wanted to speak their truth, and whatever was hidden in their heart, they feel it's time now to reveal all, so some action can be taken. Right? So that's what was going on New Year's Eve. Even if 1% you guys were together, one person was not really ready to jump into something and give it their all. Okay? They felt that let's keep it to friends till I can trust you. And if you guys were in separation also, that's what was going on. When somebody was in hermit mode, not liking what they were feeling, somebody was feeling bored and sitting at home probably and not wanting to accept any offers. Yes, Spirit is saying be brave and reveal all if you want, and have this clear communication. I'll just clarify one card from here, Leo, is the Moon card. What is this? What are these secrets that somebody wants to tell the other? What's this? What are these secrets that one wants to tell the other? The moon is clarified by the moon card, Leo. So yes, somebody wants to have clear communication here. Maybe there hasn't been in the past. Things have been remaining unsaid. So somebody now wants to have absolute clear communication about why are we not together. Right? They want to actually face their person head on, or at least that's what they were thinking on New Year's, that, hey, it's not going anywhere. It's better now that I reveal myself and talk to this person. Are you on board or not? Because one person is not feeling that the other person is reciprocating the way they would want the person to reciprocate. While as the other person is taking it slow because they want to have a firm foundation before they can trust or jump into a relationship. So some truth and clarity is what one person is seeking But right now, I think there is a lack of communication. Things have been hidden, but one person is very, very sure they want to reveal themselves. They want the other person to tell them, do you love me or don't you? Okay, so there is no confusion. Yes, it's going to require some kind of bravery here, Leo, that's for sure, because you can, there's a fear of, will I be accepted or will I be rejected kind of a feeling. But yeah, somebody is wanting clarity. Are we on or off? Okay, so that's what they were going through on New Year's Eve, Leo. Hope you enjoyed the reading. Love and light.